Welcome to the second session in this beginning meditation series. Today we will bring our attention to ourselves in a body scan. Start by getting into a comfortable position in your seat. Sit with your back straight, with your feet flat, connected to the floor, and your hands in a relaxed position. Let's bring your attention to your feet. Feel them in your shoes, or feel the skin of your feet on the floor. Feel them pressing into the ground. Notice this point of contact and how it connects you with the earth. From here, move your attention to your ankles. Notice any tension there and invite it to release with the breath. Picture letting the tension go and letting it float away. Next, bring your attention to your knees. Acknowledge all that they do for you in a day. Notice any tension or fatigue in your knees and gently release it with an exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. From your knees, notice your seat in the chair. Feel how supported you are. Allow that support to give you permission to let go and relax, knowing you are held up in your seat. From that place of relaxation, bring your attention to your hips. The big muscles and joints there are able to relax in this seated position. Invite space into your hips with the inhale and let go of any discomfort or tension in the exhale. Now move your attention slowly up through your abdomen, your stomach, ribs, spine. Slowly recognizing and releasing any tension you find. When you get to your neck and shoulders, take an extra moment. Here is where we carry the weight of the world. With each breath into your shoulders, allow the tension to release and float away from you. Take a few moments here to shift if you need to raise and lower your shoulders, to circle them so you can feel the tension melt away. Lastly, bring your attention to your jaw and face. Find a softening as your jaw drops and your muscles melt. Deep breath in, exhale. Deep breath in, exhale. When you feel a return to peace, sit in this quiet space for as long as you like. Enjoy it. Welcome it. Thank yourself for taking this time to slow down. And when you are ready, take a deep breath in and out. Shift your attention to the sounds of the world around you. Feel your body in space. Take a moment and gently flutter your eyes open to rejoin the day, feeling calm and refreshed and ready.